And welcome to part 2 in our Instacart series of videos. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to shop, schedule delivery, and to pay for your items using the Instacart app. Okay, let's do some shopping. I've got my Instacart app right here, so I'm going to give that a tap. And when I tap on it, it's going to instantly bring me back to my homepage of my Instacart account. And this is where I can go ahead and get started to shop. I have several different ways to shop. On this particular page, I can just kind of scroll down and just kind of browse and see if there's any items that I want to get quickly. I can scroll up or down. I can scroll left to right as well. And I already see an item that I'm looking for, and that is some 1% milk. So I can tap on that plus symbol, and that automatically added that item to my cart. And you can see up here in the upper right hand corner, it has one item in my virtual shopping cart. From here I can scroll up or down, and let's see, I want to add some chicken, rotisserie chicken. And if I want more details on a particular item, I can always tap on that item and I can scroll down. It shows me similar items that are available, and it also tells me the details of the item that I want to add to my cart. So let's go ahead and add that to my cart as well. I hit add to cart, and now that item, it says right here that that item is running low. And it gives me an option to choose an alternative option if I want to choose another one in case the one I chose is not available. So I'm going to choose this as my replacement. Okay, and it's added that replacement to my cart. Again, up here in the upper right hand corner, there's a number 2, so I have have 2 items in my cart. Let's say I want to shop for a particular item. There is a actual Wegmans search engine or search bar right here. I can just simply tap on search Wegmans. My keyboard pops up and I can type in a particular brand or item. In fact, I'm looking for Post cereal, and all I had to do was type in the word Post, and Post cereal came up. So I'm going to tap on Post cereal. It shows me all the Post cereals that are available. The one I'm looking for in particular is this one right here. So I'm going to hit my plus sign there. In fact, I actually want a couple of boxes, so I'm going to hit it again, and it adds a 2. Another really cool feature that Instacart has is right up here in the search bar in the corner, there's a little icon that looks like a barcode. If I tap on that barcode, it accesses my camera. And I can take an item like this Progresso soup, and if I turn it around, my camera scans the item and I can add it to my cart. So I want to order several cans of that, so I'm going to tap on 4. I'm going to hit add to cart. Okay, again, this item is running low as well. The reason for that is during this video it happens to be the time of the COVID-19 outbreak, so I can choose other options if I want to, but in this case I just want to approve it as is. And the last thing I'll show you here before we wrap up is at the bottom here you've got Home, Explore, Coupons, and Your Items. If you go under Explore and tap on that, you can actually kind of browse or shop by category. So if I know I'm looking for, deli meat, I can tap on deli and I can browse through here as well and add items to my cart. If I tap on coupons at the bottom, again, this shows me lots of different items that there are coupons for, and I can always add that if I'm going to be purchasing an item that has a coupon. I just simply tap on the plus. For now, I'm going to tap on home, get back to my home page. Alright, I've added a few more items to my shopping cart, and I'm ready to check out. So let's tap on my shopping cart in the upper right hand corner. I can review all the items that I have in there to make sure that's what I'm interested in. It gives me my total checkout amount. And if I want to remove an item, so let's say I want to remove this salsa, I can hit remove, and that item is now deleted from my shopping bag or my shopping cart, and now my total is $25.92. So let's go ahead and click on Go to Checkout. The next screen that pops up gives me information about where it's going to be delivered, the soonest available time it can be delivered. Again, during this video happens to be the time of the COVID-19 virus, so I am very limited to when I can get these groceries. So the only time available and the soonest is Friday, April 3rd. But I can go ahead and pick a particular time if I want, so I'm going to pick 1 o'clock. I've already typed in some specific instructions for my delivery person. I go ahead and hit continue. It has my phone number. If I scroll down, it includes a tip. I can change that tip if I want to add more money. In this case, I'm going to give them a healthy tip. I hit save tip, and now that's been added to my total. This is where I'm going to stop because I don't want to purchase these items for the demo, but you get the basic idea. I would hit pay, and then I am good to go. I just wait for my groceries to be delivered. Before I wrap up this video, I would like to tell you about the wonderful folks over at Lifespan. Lifespan provides information and guidance in more than 30 different services for older adults and caregivers in the Rochester and Monroe County area. So if you're 60 years of age or older, you have questions, concerns, or need assistance, please call Lifespan at 585-244-8400, or you can visit their website at lifespan-roch.org. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned a little something to move you forward during these tough times. For folks who are interested in more information about group or private in-home instruction, you can visit my website at DanielTeaches.com. You can call me at 585-902-8450, or you can always email me at daniel@danielteaches.com. Thanks so much.